Morning everyone, welcome to the third video from Just a Sneaker Geek. So this one is going to be the long-awaited unboxing. I was going to do an existing pair, so something that I haven't opened yet, which was going to be probably something kind of Adidas based, which was going to be probably a pair of Adidas Superstars, you know. But something turned up a lot earlier than I was expecting, so I'm going to do that one instead, and that's the new, well, fairly new. They were ordered about a month ago. The new Nike Air Force 1 CR7s, the Cristiano Ronaldo most recent collab that they've put out. The reason why they've taken so long is because I went a bit nuts and bought a customized pair, which you're going to see. Now all I've done is I've opened the actual packaging box that came about 2 days ago. So I'm going to see how they've turned out. See if this is going to be like a monumental kind of like, oh god, regret kind of thing. I doubt it though, because the Air Force ones are always standard. They're always gorgeous, and always generally really comfortable. So I'm going to pop you on pause, and we'll see what comes out of the box. Okay, so getting them out was definitely a two-handed job, proper wedged in the package box. As you can see, Nike by you, Nike by me, custom pair. Obviously on the side, it gives you an idea of what I've requested. So obviously that's what I went for. So it was orange underlay, orange underlay on the swoosh, orange sole, white, black tags on the laces. Let's see how they've gone. There you go. They are a brighter orange than I was expecting. There we go. I'm back in there, so I'm going to pop the drawer back in. So it's kind of standard Air Force 1, we'll say silhouette, because look at that. They're always an absolutely amazing shoe. That classic kind of detailing is absolutely fantastic. So I've gone for the smooth leather instead of the ruffled, the rolled leather. You can see the orange underlay there. Slight imperfections on there, but you know what, I'm not expecting it to be perfect. It's leather, it's gonna kind of edging on there, but it's the round of it. That's fantastic there. There you go, as you can see, the CR7 branding, you know where it's come from. And inside, there we go. I don't chase records. Matching details on the side there. Quite happy I went for the kind of spotted detail, the animal kind of print detail. They went for the black on the laces there. I honestly can't wait to wear these. They were an amazing shoe. Really happy with the styling that I went for. The bright orange. Imagine that all over it. That would be ridiculous, wouldn't it? But that orange is really nice. Almost went for the red, the chili red, but I think the orange and the white and the black was the way to go. Really happy with this. Really happy that they didn't take anywhere near as long to turn up as I thought. You know, it said mid-April and they came, like I said, just a couple of days ago. But they're absolutely spot on. Really happy with those. Anyway, that was it. It was just a short video. Thanks to those who've watched my other videos. There will be others. This is going to keep going even when I go back to work. For, you know, even if it's just a bit of fun. But thanks very much, and have a good day.